In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Xero account. A task that can seem daunting, but is actually quite simple and straightforward when broken down into manageable steps. Giving access to your Xero account is crucial for collaboration with your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members, ensuring everyone has the information they need to do their jobs effectively, while maintaining security and control over what each person can see and do within your account. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Xero website. It's easy to find. Just type Xero into your preferred search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on that button will take you to the next crucial step, signing in. To sign into your account, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. These are most likely the email address you used when you set up your account and the password you chose. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password, there's usually a link to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you should land on your dashboard. Here you'll want to head over to your organization's specific area on Xero. Look for a hyperlink or a drop-down menu that allows you to select or switch between any organizations linked to your Xero profile. If you have access to multiple organizations, ensure you select the correct one before proceeding. Having navigated to your organization's dashboard, the next step involves diving into the settings menu. You can find the settings option usually represented by either a gear icon or explicitly labeled as settings, making this part of the process straightforward. Within the settings menu, you're looking for the users option. This could be listed directly on the main settings page, or might require clicking through to a section labelled something like Organization or Subscription Settings. Once you're viewing the Users section, you're ready to invite a new user to your Xero account. Look for a button or link that says Invite a User. Clicking this will bring you to a form where you can enter the details of the person you're inviting. This is where you'll need to input the invitee's information, such as their name and email address. Be sure to double check this information for accuracy to ensure the invite reaches the intended recipient without any issues. After filling out the invitee's details, you'll be prompted to choose which permissions to grant them. Xero offers a range of access levels from read-only access to full administrative rights. Consider carefully what level of access is appropriate for the person you're inviting, bearing in mind the principle of least privilege. Only granting access to the information and functionalities necessary for someone to perform their role. Finally, once you've selected the appropriate permissions, you're ready to send the invite. Look for a Send Invite button and click it. Xero will then send an email to the invitee with instructions on how to access your organization. It's worth noting that until the invitee accepts the invitation and completes any necessary setup steps on their end, they won't have access to your Xero account. You may want to follow up with them to ensure they receive the invite and understand what they need to do next. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of giving someone access to your Xero account. Remember, maintaining clear communication and understanding the access levels within Xero can significantly enhance your collaboration efforts while ensuring your data remains secure. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger team, these steps will ensure you can easily manage who has access to your financial data, keeping your operations smooth and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or for further assistance with your Xero account.